Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and it's another super day for the Shiba Inu holder. Yes, so Shiba Inu has been pumped more than 40% in a single day. So it's a nice pump we have seen after a long time. So yes, so why this pumping is happening, and what's the future price predictions, and what are the biggest news coming about the Shiba Inu. So we'll discuss each and every points related to that fact. So don't skip this video, watch this video till end. You'll understand lots of things related to Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. If you are new in our YouTube channel, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. At the same times, don't forget to follow our Telegram channel, because regular wise we give lots of update and lots of more information related to other cryptocurrency. And please take this video as a entertainment purpose, and if you want to invest, so invest your own risks. So yes, so Shiba Inu coin, so last 24 hours it has been pumped more than 50%. So right now it has been stable close to 35%. Now what was the price? So price, it was a point, then 50, then $8, right? So now it's just eaten one more zero. So it's the biggest news, that is Shiba Inu eaten one more zero. So now it's a point, then 4 times 0, then $1. Biggest pump past 4 months, because Shiba Inu all time high is, so if I hold my mouse pointer, so this point, so there is a 1, right? So that is a 337. Okay, so that is the all time high. So still Shiba Inu is close to 70% down from the all time high. So you can think it. So if you invest right now, and what's the news is coming related to Shiba Inu, so definitely you can expect very decent profit from the point. Now what you need to do? So only thing Shiba Army, so they have that patience they are doing to hold and hold this coin. So that's the only mantra. Okay, and second things, the biggest news, as I was mentioning, so few days back and last 1 to 2 months, lots of petitions has been given to the Robinhood to list that SHIB token in their wallet. So as per the rumors and few of the informations what we get to know, like a Shiba Inu token already loaded in Robinhood app, so something beta testing is happening. So might be within 7 days, and for, or might be 10 days, we can get a positive news that Robinhood finally going to list the Shiba Inu token. So it's not 100% true, but yes, something is going on inside. So that's what this, there is a huge buying is happening. At the same time, big whales are investing. I'll show you that part in laters of this video. And now if you follow their Shiba Informer and Rashid, their Twitter account, so you can see lots of things is coming. So point number, Shiba Inu actually launching that NFT. Now Shiba 2, nothing but a Shibarium. So it's a own ecosystem, or I can say own blockchain is coming for the Shiba Inu. So that is again, it's a biggest news for the Shiba Inu. So when Shiba Inu launched that Shiba 2, nothing but a Shibarium, that blockchain, so definitely it would be huge beneficial. New cryptocurrency might be developed on the top of this blockchain. At the same time, Shiba Swap, the transactions volume, so has been rapidly increasing from 50% to 100%. So day by day it is increasing. So now if you go to their Etherscan, means like there you can find out what's happening. So you can see each and every seconds lots of coins actually buying from the Etherscan. So you can see just 15 seconds back, close to 9 crore, right, tokens, and now again it's a 15 seconds back, it's a almost 1 billion, close to 1 billion token. So you can see lots of transactions is happening each and every seconds. And now if you check their holders, so what's happened 7 days back, so the total holders was close to 6 lakhs. Now it has been increased and it is going towards to 70 lakhs. I mean, if that would be the curve situations, so definitely within 1 month we can see like a Shiba holder total count is more than 1 million. So you can see last 24 hours what's the holder percentage increase. So it's a close to 1/4 percentage, nothing but a 0.25 percentage, right? And others point about the Shiba token, right? So not only this exchange, so you can see Kraken might be going to list that Shiba Inu, because what they are saying, which cryptocurrency has the best community. Yes, so best community I can say as of now that is a Shiba Inu, because Shiba Inu almost there is a follower is more than 100k follower for the Shiba Inu. So you can understand so how much potential this cryptocurrency it has. So now we'll talk about the future price predictions. Definitely when Robinhood going to be list that coin as soon as possible in their exchange. And second things, already Coinbase Pro or they have listed that token, so more numbers of users or retailers investors are attracting towards the Shiba Inu. And point number 2, so when NFT and Shiba 2, nothing but a Shibarium blockchain will be launched, so what will happen, more number of investors will attract and the holders count will be increased. So definitely in long run by end of the year or might be a first quarter of 2022, so we can expect Shiba Inu will eat one more zero. Yes, so this is not just ending, so this is just a beginning for the Shiba Inu, because lots more yet to come. And hope this video will help you to understand that fact. But to be honest, whatever the current volume is happening, buying is happening, so this is huge. So let's say 24 hours back, so what was the volume for the Shiba Inu? So almost it was, let's say, few crore transactions. So right now it has been increased more than 200%. So trading volume has been increased rapidly, so it's a great news. And again Shiba Inu back to coin market rank, that is a 34. So very soon we can see Shiba Inu will be under top 20 cryptocurrency token. So yes, so all those points, so if you correlate, so upcoming days it's a good news for the Shiba Inu and entire Shiba army and their community. So this is the situation. If you hold this coin and if you keep your patience, so definitely in long run you will get a lots of profit from this cryptocurrency. And don't forget to mention your favorite cryptocurrency. Just comment below what's your favorite cryptocurrency. We'll check, and also subscribe our channel. We'll give a $100 Shiba Inu token to our random user. And if you like our video, subscribe our channel and don't forget to give a thumbs up for this video. That's all. Bye. We'll see you next video.